Hi, welcome back. So last time we have written in the last video we have written this TCL script to change the component name. So basically this script fails if the component names and the name what is going to be changed are same. So suppose if this is the format and this I just use this, so it will give me some error because the component whatever I am trying to rename and the component name itself is same. So for this reason I need to make this script a foolproof. Even if the component is same, it should not fail, and whatever component is not same, like some different name is there, it should change. Okay, and it should not give me error. At this time it will still give me error because starting component is, it will start from the id1, and starting component itself is comp underscore one. Okay, so how I can make this full proof? So basically firstly this part is I am retrieving the component id. Somehow I need to know the component name also. Okay, so set comps id is getting the component ids, and this id I am putting it here. And before this I have the component id information. So from the component id information I can get the component name also from hm get value command. So this command you can use to have the component id, component name from the id itself. Sorry, this command, this is for the set, we will use it for the comps. Okay, so put here, sorry, I will modify here my script. Okay, so by the way has is nothing but command, so you can use has anywhere. And instead of set I will put comps, and let's see whether I'm getting the name or not. So data name one, so I'm getting comps id1 का नाम means component id1 name is comp underscore one. What about 103? Let's see whether our script is working for 103 also. So it is working for 103 also. So let me define this variable set component name is equal to this. Okay. Now I need something so that if my component name and my this name is same, then it should not do this operation. So for this I need to use the if loop. Sorry, if function. If function is something like this. Uh, if set value is 5 and if number is greater than 5, then it should say number is greater than 5. And if it is equal to 5, then this should be here. And if it is else, something like this. So I'll use this function. Okay, I will put here. Okay, so I don't need else if, I just need if else statement. Okay, so instead of this, if I put comp underscore name, okay, equal to, and it should be, if it is equal to this, put component name is not changed. Okay, and if this is that, then I will put component name is changed. Okay, and I'll use this also to put here. Okay, So let me, yeah. Now, if this is component name is this temp name, then no need to change, otherwise change it. And with change also we can change use component name changed. Okay, let me use this command and it should work, I think. Okay, it is not working. Okay, there is one error here. Okay, so it was not working. Let's see what can we do. Yeah, so basically these are two variables, so we can use this. And even this component name is id is 1, so we need to put this id here. Let's see. Yeah, now it should work, I think. Let's try this. Basically I will put here some components and it should bypass this. Yeah, so it has changed. So this is how it works. Like, even if some component is like this, and even some components are in our format, and this like this. Let's see. Yeah, so it is working. So even if you can save this and you can distribute this, and even you can run from here also in TCL file. Okay, so this is how you can change the components. And this also introduced the use of if else loop. Okay, and for loop also we have seen in the previous video. Yeah, so that is how you can make your script foolproof. Yeah, thank you, have a great day, bye.